My name's Adam Diamond. I'm a general contractor, owner of Diamond Home Restoration, and we specialize in high-end remodeling and additions. When we're choosing exterior materials, we do really like using the AZEK products. Window casings, door casings, corner trim, soffits. We did a board and bat cladding everywhere. The continuity of their products is really unmatchable.
Hi, my name is Pace with Diamond Home Restoration. I'm a general contractor here in the Bay Area, California. A couple of years ago, we met with a couple here in Sonoma County. They were looking to purchase a house to spend their retirement, do a little bit of farming, enjoy the countryside. We were looking for an exterior product that met fire resistance here in Sonoma, as well as a low maintenance product that they wouldn't need to tend to in retirement. I really like AZEK exteriors because of their low maintenance, their durability, and the fact that it's a fire-resistant product, which is really important in our zone.
The fire resistance issue is huge for us, especially here in California. So it was important to us that we found something that was fire resistant, and AZEK fulfilled that need for us.
The value for a low-maintenance product like AZEK exteriors is actually a greater value, less expensive in the long run than some traditional products.
When we're using the AZEK siding products, these products are really meant to move. Everything moves. It doesn't matter if we're using wood siding or metal cladding, everything is going to move. But the AZEK product, it's flexible. It's meant to move. They have certain lines of trim where there's rabbeted casings and rabbeted corner boards, and they're meant for the siding to actually tuck behind those, and it hides those seams. So it's meant for those products to move independently of each other, where we don't have that caulking joint that could break down over time. With the flexibility of the product and the usability of it, it was a bigger draw for us to go with AZEK. And after we completed the project, there's no doubt in my mind that we're going to continue to use this over the years.